Welcome to Really Room Tutorials. Today, I'll be showing you how to use the Scissor Select tool to cut the background out in your image in Gimp 2.10.10. So first, you're going to open up Gimp. Then we're going to import our image. So you can go to File Manager, click on your image, and drag it in, and let go. You'll see the image will appear. So you want to go to the Scissor Select tool, which is in the top left-hand corner. You'll select it. I'm going to zoom into the mug by using Control and the middle mouse wheel. And I'm going to click around the mug to select it. And you'll see the line will bend to connect to the image. So we'll just keep going by using left click. And to move the screen, I'm going to click on the middle mouse wheel and drag my mouse to move over. And we'll continue. If this happens, or the line doesn't match properly, you can click on the line and drag it back into place and create a new selection there, and then keep going. So wherever it gets out of place, just move it back and it'll autocorrect itself. And the more points you put in, the more accurate this should be. And once you reach the end, you're going to click on your starting point to join the 2 points. Once you've finished, I'm going to zoom out by clicking Control and scrolling with middle mouse wheel so you can see the full selection. And then if you move your mouse inside of your selection, you'll see there is a round circle with dots. So if you click inside that circle using left click, you'll see that it turns into a selection. That means you have the whole thing selected. Now we need to add an alpha channel. So you can go to Layer, Transparency, Add Alpha Channel. So now we have middle selected right now, but we're going to try and get rid of the background. So we're going to select and invert. So now we have all the background selected. And you click Delete on your keyboard, and that'll delete the background. You go to Select, None. And you'll see we have some inside where the handle is. I'm going to go back and try to get rid of that. So I'm going to move over, use the middle mouse wheel, and then Control and scroll to get back in. Using the same tool, we're going to continue clicking around. Same thing, when you reach the end, you're going to click to join them, fix any ones that you have messed up. You're going to click in the middle to select it, and now we're just going to click Delete on our keyboard because we do not want to invert the selection. And when you're done, click Select and None. And now you can either go through with an eraser or with your same tool and try and clean up the excess. Now you can see we only have the rim selected, so we're going to click out to create a big box around it, then join the two pieces, click in the middle, and click Delete. Back to Select, None. We're going to zoom out. And that is how to use the Scissors Select tool. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.